Welcome to the me&co assembly video. Before we begin, make sure you have all the parts listed in the assembly guide and organize them by type and size. You will also need a Phillips or star screwdriver. Holding both upright, slide the bottom panel into the side panel, ensuring the wooden dowel fits into the hole. Slide the rear skirting and cleats into the left panel, once again ensuring the wooden dowels fit into the holes. Tighten with conformat screws. Attach the shelf panel to the main body and tighten. Next, align the right side panel with the other parts to insert the wooden dowels into the holes. Tighten with conformat screws. Slide in the front skirting, fitting the wooden dowels into the holes of both side panels and tighten. It may be necessary to loosen some of the screws in order to allow the front skirting to slide in easily. Make sure to retighten any screws that were loosened. Now slide in the foil backing between the two sides into the groove. Now, attach the front top cleat. Attach the top panel to the main body and tighten. Screw one tubing bracket into the pre-drilled holes on each side panel. Now it's time for the doors. Place the door upside down and fit the hinges using the provided screws. Now place the door on the main body and tighten with screws into the pre-drilled holes and fit the aluminium tubing. Fit the provided handles to the doors. Once in place, secure the backing with 4 screws. And we're finished. Setup is complete. Adjust the screws on the hinges to ensure the doors hang straight. Remember to use a damp cloth when cleaning. Avoid using excessive water as this may cause damage and void the warranty. Thank you for choosing me&co.